Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Woohoo! Puddles here.
Oh, Phoebe, you got me all wet. Oh, Phoebe.
Don't worry, Fizzy. Rubble on the double here. I'll save you.
Hey, Rubble, thanks for saving me.
I know. Why don't we give Paw Patrol a new mission? Woohoo! I know. Who can go quickest on that ride?
Oh, so dizzy.
Maybe not that then. Who can climb up that ladder?
Okay, here goes. Oh no, too high, too high.
No. Okay. What about those slides?
Awesome. Now that's more like it. I'll race you.
Okay, pups, you are all gonna slide down one at a time.
Oh, Rubble, it wasn't your turn. We're gonna need a reset.
Fizzy, whizzy, full busy bop.
Perfect. Now, when I call your name, you are gonna slide. Marshall, Rubble, Sky, Zoomer, Chase, Rocky.
And the winner of the solo round is... Phoebe, can I have a look at yours? Scorecard. There we go. The winner is Sky!
Yay! Woohoo! Yay! And now it's time for the speed round.
Okay, everyone, time to line up for the start.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, slide!
Here goes. Whee! Woohoo!
Yeah!
What happened? I'm stuck on the blue slide. I think it's too slow. I'm on red. I can't get any speed up, and I'm on yellow. And now I'm stuck. I'm on green. Me too, and I'm on blue. Me 3, and I'm on orange. It's because the slide is too dry. We need to generate speed. That's a great idea. We can use slime.
Ooh. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Paw Patrol pups. Looks like your slides need some slime. Let's make some. This is so exciting. I love a slide race. Let's get the slime. Great, we have our clear slime, and now we're gonna add some color to it.
What colors are we gonna use, Miss Hands?
We're gonna use different colored glitter.
Cool!
And we're gonna start with dark blue. And squeeze that in. See how shiny that is? And light blue. Green. Orange. Red. Now last color, yellow.
Whoa! Time to get tipping!
Whoa, Phoebe! We don't want to get covered in slime.
But I want to make the slide super quick.
Well, we can do that with magic, Phoebe.
Oh.
Ready? Fizzy, whizzy, bo busy bop.
Yay! Time to get racing!
It is on! No one is speedier than me! I basically have Zoom in my name!
3, 2, 1, race! Well done, Paw Patrol Pups!
That was so much speedier with the slime.
That was awesome! I went so fast! It felt like flying!
And the winner is Zoomer! Yay!
This was the best Paw Patrol mission ever!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!